Tammany's primary school acknowledges the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people on which we stand today, and recognize their continuing connection to land, water, and culture.
We pay our respects to their elders, past, present, and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth of toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage of birds Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing of birds Australia fair.
Hello, my name is Harriet, and I'm going to say hello, good morning, and bye in my language. So, in Hazaragi, you say hello, which is salam, and when in Hazaragi, you say good morning, sabah khair, and then if you want to say bye-bye, you can say khudafis.
When we say thank you in Urdu, it's shukriya.
Hi there everyone, it's time to get a little bit funny. Are you ready for this week's joke? What is as big as an elephant but weighs nothing? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. Okay, thinking time is over. What is as big as an elephant but weighs nothing? An elephant's shadow. I hope you liked that one, and I challenge you to come up with your own joke to share with somebody else this week and put a smile on their face. Have a great week, everyone.
Next week, SWPBS goal is that we complete our work.